Every day we are eating food. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Morning you ate what breakfast?
Rice.
Rice. You? Huh? Rice. I ate puri.
Yeah.
And puri is nothing but made up of flour.
Yeah.
That is wheat flour. And that is carbohydrate. We are eating rice. And that is carbohydrate. And we are eating puri. And that is made up of wheat. That is carbohydrate. And we are eating bread. And that is made up of, that is with the carbohydrate. And we are eating what? Potatoes. क्या बोलते हैं आलू. And they also having what? Carbohydrates. So that is a carbohydrate food, and that carbohydrate food gives energy, madam. So you need to understand anything. You need to sit down. You need to stand. You need to run. What you need?
Energy.
Energy is needed. So first to get energy, we are eating different types of foods, especially carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Carbohydrates are called as energy giving food. I am a student. I am studying only 5th class or 6th class. So in 6th or 7th class there is, you see, a unit that is called as our food. Food and components. Food and its components are our food. So you are teachers, I am a student, and you told me that rice is having carbohydrates. But I didn't understand carbohydrates are not present in the rice or not. For that you need to make me understand by taking what? Rice. Food. Sir, this is food. And keep this paper.
It starts taste to cover.
Okay. So here on the paper I took what?
Rice.
Food. Rice. Cooked rice. And I don't know what nutrients are there in the rice. And you need to make me understand as carbohydrates are there in the food. So madam, please keep this one. Madam, where is the bottle? So this is iodine or betadine. Iodine or betadine. So iodine and betadine are the same type of chemicals. So you can use this iodine or betadine to test the presence of carbohydrates in the food.
Starch.
Okay, starch. Carbohydrates are starch. Carbohydrates are complex substances, and more complex are starch and cellulose. And simple one is glucose. Simple one is glucose. So you are eating food.
Yeah.
And rice is converted to maltose by some mastication. And then we need to swallow. And this food enters into the stomach. And in the stomach, food is not digested. Carbohydrates are not digested in the stomach. And they are digested in small intestine, but not in the stomach. In the stomach, proteins are digested, but not carbohydrates. Carbohydrate digestion takes place in mouth, in the presence of saliva, talent, and later made into maltose sugars, and that make into bolus. And that bolus we swallow, and that enters the stomach. And from stomach, it enters the duodenum. That is the small part of that is the small intestine, proximal part. And there in small intestine, and these carbohydrates are converted to glucose. So finally glucose is formed in small intestine. And that glucose is absorbed by means of microvilli. Small finger-like proteins are present, and they absorb the glucose. And they supply glucose to all body parts. So when they enter the body parts, you are getting what? Energy. So that is the secrecy. So here, this is betadine solution, madam, or iodine solution. Where is the? You can hit someone, something. Okay. So already this is add. So here your teacher is adding what? Betadine on food. Okay. Thank you. So here betadine is added on the food. And its color is changed or not?
Changing.
What color you are observing, sir?
Blue black.
Blue black. Bluish black. So when the food is turns into bluish black, and that indicates the presence of carbohydrates in the food. And that is a simple test to know the presence of starch in the leaves or starch in the food. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.